2013 Chevy Equinox 2.4 liter. I've replaced the timing chain chasing this problem. I've replaced all the lifters, or whatever those things are, those pivot points, those pivot lifters. They're hydraulic, so I thought maybe one of those was bad. I've replaced, what else have I replaced? I think that's all I've really replaced. I started it with the drive belt off, seeing if it was something, one of the accessories. Still did it, and I cannot figure out for the life of me what it is. It's been doing this for months. It hasn't gotten any worse. It doesn't throw codes. All the fuel trims are perfect. Everything's great with this car. It just passed California smog, and I can't figure it out. Can't figure it out. This is an all-wheel drive. I was thinking maybe it was a transmission oil pump, maybe, or something with the transmission, but I mean, the sound sounds like it's coming from the front of the motor. I inspected the water pump when I was in there. It looked fine. Never heard a water pump sound like that anyway. I changed the balance shaft chain. I felt the balance shafts while I was in there. They felt fine. So yeah, I'm at a loss.